Alright guys, we're finally back on to this little 105 layer Damascus knife. Hardened, tempered. We already put that out there, I think. So I was having some trouble with my camera and I had chores to look at and things to catch up on, so I hadn't been at it a couple weeks. And we got some badass sandpaper today. Some kind of Norton finishing emery cloth set. Stuff is thick enough to wear for a shirt. I ain't gonna bore y'all with too much of the hand sanding, but I just wanted to say hi, good morning. Got all kind of crazy things going on. We got that Pops Pro Cut. I'll have a Western style handle on this one. And guys, all of the stuff that they make, their in-house steels, if they advertise that 1/8 inch, that's 8 plus easy, you know. And that steel right there, just, man, I just like the way it look coming out the packaging. They said it polishes up real nice, and it's annealed, and oh, what the hell else that thing is? It's cycled, and all I got to do is quench it. Just bring it up to critical and quench it. And the thing about this steel is it has an amazing range of quench. You know, you don't have to be exactly perfect. But we're gonna get back with y'all on all of this. We're gonna go ahead and finish this up. We're gonna go to Taylor. They got a little gun show over there. We're gonna start looking to see if we can get a table over at the gun shows and sell a few knives. Y'all come along. All right, guys. I'm back to it. I skipped all the old boring stuff. You know, the finish sanding. I got a little old clip of me sanding just to throw it in there. But what I've done is super glued this, the spacer, and the handle together and just shoved the pin in. But this is finished right here, except for my marking, putting the edge on it. I'm fixing to cover this up, but this is the pattern we're getting. And that pretty little wave right there that y'all are seeing right here, that's the drawing dials on my press, pushing that like almost like a ladder pattern. It makes a nice pretty little wavy thing. Good deep edge on this, and I polished it up at 2000 grit. All right guys, we're gonna get back with y'all, man, whenever we get ready to glue this handle up. We're using G-Flex. Takes a long time for it to set, which is a good thing when you're trying to pour cold epoxy into a small hole like that. Alright guys, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Y'all see what it, you know, kind of takes there, and it's gonna take another 5 or 6 minutes. See y'all in a few. Okay, guys, I'm still gonna have my squeeze out to clean, but I got that stuff in the hole with a whole lot less hassle. Trusty little camera there. And there we have it, guys. It's one of the easiest screw ups I've done in quite some time. I have to remember how I did that. Alright guys, appreciate y'all coming along. When it's dry, we're gonna grind that handle down.